Okay. Good morning, friends, and Suprabhatam too. Friends, you stayed at home because of lockdown. So here I am teaching Sanskrit subject. So please pay attention. Friends, in 9th standard, first poem name is Samarchanam. Here, before we start our study, we have to understand its title first. What is the meaning of Samarchanam? Okay, here there are two words. One word is Sama and another word start from here Archanam. Means one word is Sama, okay, and another word is Archanam. Sama Archanam. Okay, let's understand its a meaning. Sama means Sama. Sama means properly. Okay. Another meaning is together. There are two meanings of this word. Sama means properly and Sama means together. Okay, friends? But here we have to take its meaning together. In this poem, the Sama means together and Archanam that means prayer. Archanam that means prayer. So, Sama Archanam means together prayer. Means let properly we have to gather and do prayer. Means friends, before we start any good work, good occasion, we have to take name of God first. So, here also our first poem is Samarchanam, means one type of prayer of God. So, before we start this poem, we have to pray to the Lord by ourselves. So, first of all, let you join your hands first, and by heart you will close your eyes, and then we have to recite one great verse of Lord Son. Let close your eyes. ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नमः प्रचोदयात्. So, very good student. By heart we have to remember to the Lord. Now we have to start our study. Samarchanam. We have to get intro of this poem. First of all, we have to get intro of 4 Vedas. This Samarchanam has been taken from 4 Vedas. You know, friends, there are 4 Vedas. First Veda name is Ring Veda, second Yajur Veda, third Sam Veda, and fourth Atharva Veda. These are 4 mainly Vedas in our Sanskrit literature. Not only in Sanskrit literature, but in the whole world. These 4 Vedas are mainly acceptable because the rule of life we can learn from these 4 Vedas. So, I will not give lots of introduction about this because our poem is most important thing. So, we have to get intro of Ring Veda. Ring Veda is very ancient Veda in our Sanskrit literature. Not only in Sanskrit literature, but also in the whole world. Ring Veda is very ancient Veda. And in this Veda we can learn rhymes, recite verses and prayer of lords. After that, Yajurveda. In Yajurveda, we have to take lots of vow. That means vrat. We have to take any vrat, so that's why we can live our life easy way. After that, Samveda. Samved is a Veda for music. How music is important in our life. How music can control our mind. So, this type of knowledge we can get from Samveda. After that, Atharvaveda. In Atharvaveda, we can get knowledge about the rule of life. Rule of life, that means family life. How we can live our family life with our family members. So, these are the short intro of Veda. Okay, friends. Now, we have to learn our first poem, Samar Chanam. Friends, we have to learn first words. So, open your textbook and see first words. Friends, first words taken from Ring Veda. After that, two verses are there which taken from Yajurveda. Okay, friends, means in our study we have to learn three verses. One verse from Ring Veda and second verse from Yajurveda. Okay, let first we start first words from Ring Veda. Friends, you will see in your book, and here I have given some TLM, so you will pay attention here. If difficulty come, then sorry for that. But friends, this is the first words in your poem. Friends, first words is like this. Agni minde purohitam yagnasya deva mrutwijam hotaram ratna dhatamam. Okay, friends, this is the first words in your book and which taken from Ring Veda. Okay, again I repeat, Agni minde. This word we have to learn like this, minde, not like mile. It's a wrong. Minde we have to read it. After that, purohitam, and then yagnasya deva mrutwijam and hotaram ratna dhatamam. Okay, friends, this is the reading of these words, and by heart you will learn this because of exam. So by heart we have to learn this. Now one by one words we will understand. Friends, the first word Agni minde. So here mile you will not read, you will read it minde. Okay, friends, and its meaning is I pray. Minde, that means I pray. Okay, friends. Then second word purohitam. Purohitam, that means family priest. Puro and ahit. Puro means ancient and doing hitam. Hitam means welfare. Means one who is doing welfare for our family. That means family priest. And if having any confusion about this priest word, then let I clear it. Priest, that means Brahmin, family Brahmin. Whatever occasion we follow in our family, we call this family priest and we get advice from him. So purohitam, that means family priest. After that, the another word is yagnasya. Okay, the word suggested its meaning yagnasya. So friends, we have to see this. Sya is a one type of vibhakti and its follow sha means apostrophe s. Sha, that means apostrophe s, means of, also we can say of, means of yagna. So here the meaning is of yagna. After that, the word is Dev Mrutvi Jam. Dev Mrutvi Jam. Here the word is Rutvi. Reading like this, Deva Mru Twijam. But Dev, then here Ru you can see here. Rutwijam, we have to understand it. Rutwijam, that means officiating priest. Like this, Purohitam and Rutwijam are the similar words. So Rutwijam, officiating priest. Officiating, that means mainly, and priest means one type of Brahmin, which gives us good knowledge, about our heritage, how to develop our heritage and increase our heritage proper way. So that is known as the Rutwijam. Oh, after that, the word is like Hotaram. Hotaram means offering right. Means all person gets one type of right in his or her life. So here also Hotaram means Lord Fire has one type of right. Which right? Offering. Offering means whatever thing you offer in yagna, it will accepted and it will accept by Lord Fire. So Hotaram, that means offering right. So remember this, friends. And then another Ratna Dhatamam. Ratna Dhatamam, the word suggested like the Ratna and Dhata. There are two words, Ratna and Dhatam. Ratna means gems. Ratna, that means gems, which we are in our ring, in our neck, whatever, gems. And wear, that means Dhatam. Dhatam, that means wear. Whatever we wear, that is known as Dhatam in Sanskrit. So Ratna Dhatam means wears gems. These are the meanings of these first words, friends. So what is the explanation and translate of these words? The first word is Agni Minde Purohitam Yagnasya Deva Mrutwijam Hotaram Ratna Dhatamam. The translation is like this. First of all, we have to start from this. Let Agni Minde. Agni, that means fire, and Minde means I pray. Means I pray Lord Fire. Okay. After that we will put it proper translate, but let understand it. Purohitam means family priest. Okay, friends. Means I pray Lord Fire, family priest. Then Yagnasya means of Yagna. Means the word is going like this. It is not proper. We have to write it proper way. But let understand it. Purohitam, that means family priest. And then Yagnasya means of fire. Then Deva Mrutwijam, that means one who is officiating priest. Whatever we offered in yagna. Deva Mrutwijam. Dev means Lord. In all lords, this Lord Fire is a Rutwijam. Rutwijam means officiating priest. And Hotaram Ratna Dhataram. Hotaram means one what is offering rights, and Ratna Dhatam means wears gems. Now understand, proper translate, we have to write like this. From here, O Lord Fire, I pray to you. O Lord Fire, I pray to you, because you are family priest and also officiating priest. What we offering in yagna, and also you having the right to wear gems. This is the translate of first words. Again I repeat, listen. Agni Minde means O Lord Fire, I pray to you, because you are family priest and also officiating priest, one who having right of offering whatever in yagna, and one who can wear valuable gems. these are the translation of these words. Okay friends, you understood it. First words, Agni Minde Purohitam Yagnasya Devamrutwijam Hotaram Ratna Dhatamam. Now any confusion in this, then we will solve it again. Any confusion, then see. O Lord fire, one time I repeat, O Lord fire, I pray to you because you are the family priest and also officiating priest of offering right in yagna. Whatever you offer in yagna, you having right to accept it. Okay, and you have a right to wear gems. You have to rights to wear gems. Okay, this is the translation of first words which taken from Ring Veda. Okay friends. Now friends, we have to understand second verse of this poem. The second word is here I have written. See, I am reading it and you pay attention. Agne Vratapate Vratam Charishyami. Agne Vratapate Vratam Charishyami Tachkeyam Tanme Radhyatam Idam Aham Anutrat Satyam Upemi. Friends, again repeat. Agne Vratapate Vratam Charishyami Tachkeyam Tanme Radhyatam Idam Aham Anutrat Satyam Upemi. Okay friends, second words we will learn afterward. So you refer it first words. If any confusion, then we will clear it afterward.